When people first hear about natural family planning, they often think it's just about charts or cycles, but NFP is rooted in something much deeper, a vision of the human person and marriage called Theology of the Body. Developed by Pope St. John Paul II, Theology of the Body helps us see ourselves through God's eyes. As he said, the body and it alone is capable of making visible what is invisible, the spiritual and the divine. Our bodies matter. They reveal who we are and reflect God's love. At its core, Theology of the Body teaches that we are a unity of body and soul created in God's image. In marriage, this becomes visible. The marital embrace is not merely biological. It is a total gift of self that is faithful, life-giving, and open to love. This is where NFP and Theology of the Body meet. Natural family planning respects the way God designed the body. It honors both meanings of the marital act, unitive and procreative, without suppressing fertility. Instead, it invites couples to understand their fertility and prayerfully discern how to live out responsible parenthood. In 1968, Humanae Vitae called married couples to become apostles to other married couples. That call led to the founding of Couple to Couple League, because love is learned through witness. And when couples share how living God's design has strengthened their marriage, they offer something no method alone can provide. NFP isn't just about managing fertility. It's about living authentic love, according to God's design.